We're at Humphreys West Elementary School. This is Read Across America Week. We're celebrating Dr. Seuss's birthday and the joys of reading. So we're in the library. We have all of these tents set up. We're having a camping theme with our Read Across America. We wanted the kids to realize that reading is really fun. It's not just for the library, it's for home, it's for outside, it's for wherever you want to be. And really, reading affects your whole life. So this week we've had a unit come in. They've had guest readers and they've cycled through different classrooms to read to the kids, but they've also talked about how reading is important in their lives and what they do with reading in their jobs, so that students see that reading is really a lifelong journey. It's not something that happens solely at school in a classroom. And we also have all of these activities today to celebrate reading and really just have fun and see that reading really is fun. I got kind of an idea from one of our teachers here. He said that he takes his kids camping and it's their unplugged time, and so they go out into the woods and it's really like reading camping because they just take books and they read. And I thought, oh, that might be really fun to replicate, but inside, and have the kids see what it's like to read and camp and have fun with it. We have had some amazing volunteers that have really help pull it together. I couldn't have done it without volunteers, and we're always appreciative of units that come out and are reading to the kids. It really takes a community to help build a culture of reading.